Now we are going to start the trial of Saint John. During her last campaign, she was captured by the Burgundians community, and then they handed her to the English people. Means she was captured by the Burgundian community, and then that people handed her, means Saint John, to the English people. The English, who had suffered severe losses at her hands, not only wanted to kill her and also charged her with severe charges. Means now here we see that the Englishmen want to take the revenge from the Saint John, and they not only want to kill her but also charge her with the severe charges. The charges which were charged on her were 64 in total, means 64 charges were there on Saint John. In that included that she was heretic. In that 12 charges were real about her and other were just added to show how she is evil and heretic. The real 12 charges were true. The people believed her as a saint because she was hearing the sound of Margaret and Catherine, but the charges were set on her. She is listening to the sound of evil spirits and she is acting so rudely with Englishmen. And so she is acting so rudely with Englishmen. So on St. John 64 charges were charged, but out of them only the 12 were real. A bishop made charges that she has done theft and stolen the horse. Then the inquisitor, means who has given the responsibility, who has the authority to inquire, it is called inquisitor, asked her what is real story. Then she said that she had legally bought the horse by giving money to the seller. So she has done nothing crime in that. So she asked, how can I then be a guilty for this? I have already paid money of horse. So here we can see why all were charging various charges on her is to discourage her, to make people believe that she is really a witch and not a saint, to demotivate her so she can accept herself as a guilty, and then then she can be given the capital punishment. The next charge was that she is dancing with children around the trees which are considered as fairy trees, and she is seeking blessings from the haunted trees and wells, and she is always present in those areas. So here we have seen the charges. By point wise I have wrote all the charges. Now the first charge is she is doing hearsay and witchcraft. Second charge she is stealing of horses. Then third charge is of the dancing around haunted trees and wells, and she is praying to haunted wells and trees, dancing around and praying around haunted trees and wells. Then the fourth charge is she was always wearing clothes like a soldier. Then inquisitor says to the court that we should show some humanity towards her. We cannot act like a cruelty or inhumanly towards her. It's right to give a fair trial to her. We should show divine mercy and pity towards her. John says that she is not a witch and you are leaving me in the hands of English army because they want to kill me. Then the fifth charge is about she tried to jump from 60 feet high building. She has tried to fly like a witch. Then John said, the tower was not that so high. I would have died if it was really 60 feet high. I am not a heretic and I have never tried to run from prison. 9 times you have taken my trial, and again the charges, fake charges, are charged on me. I want to protect myself, says the John to the inquisitor. All people are forcing the inquisitor that if she is not ready to give her consent, then force her to accept all the charges. Then also inquisitor is with her. Then also the inquisitor is with her, means everybody is forcing him that if John is not taking, or John is not saying that she is a guilty, then declare her as a guilty so we can give her a punishment. Then also the inquisitor is with Saint John. He tells them to have a patience. We will find out the truth. Next part we will see in the next video.